Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest and best in tech and auto accessories. Today we're diving into the top 6 best portable CarPlay screens, perfect for upgrading your drive without replacing your entire head unit. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's get started. At number 6, we have the Carparide W91 Pro. Carparide has been making various portable wireless CarPlay units for a few years now, and its W91 Pro shows all the company is capable of. This 9-inch touchscreen display with 1024 by 600 resolution features wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and dual Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity for older mobile devices. Other features include support for optional backup cameras and an integrated light sensor for automatically adjusting brightness. I also like that it offers a built-in speaker for when you don't want its alerts to override your car's sound system. The Carparide W91 Pro attaches via a suction mount so it can easily be moved from one vehicle to another. The W91 Pro is powered by your vehicle's 12-volt DC power adapter. It powers up when the car is turned on and powers down when the car turns off, so it won't drain your battery. In addition to a standard aux input, the unit also features a micro SD card slot for loading media and a USB input for wired connections. Next up, the Hauxi wireless touchscreen with dashcam. We wanted to like the Hauxi unit more than we did. It's a budget option with a generous 9.0-inch display, but the screen left a lot to be desired. Colors looked washed out, saturation was off, and it showed every smudge. Touch response was rather laggy, and overall, the interface left much to be desired. Our audio tests put it at a 2/5. The built-in microphone and speakers do the job, but just barely. On the plus side, setup is simple, and the adjustable arm mount is genuinely well designed. It feels light, almost too light, but once installed, it holds firm. The inclusion of a dashcam sounds great on paper, but in practice, it's mostly a novelty. It's overexposed and oddly angled, and half the view gets blocked by the dash. Still, for the price, you're getting a lot of gear in the box. Coming in at number 4 is the Eon P4 wireless Apple CarPlay screen. Eon's P4 is the quiet achiever of the group. The screen is excellent, bright, crisp, and color accurate. There's a bit of touch lag, but nothing that gets in the way of its usability. Boot time is quick and it connects to phones without drama. Overall responsiveness is right around the middle of the pack. We found the unit impressively stable during drives, no bouncing, no rattling. Audio gets a 3/5. It's clear enough for music and calls, but it's not coming anywhere close to replacing your vehicle's integrated speakers. The built-in dash cam is a thoughtful touch, though it feels more like a bonus than a true security feature. The image can get stretched and the field of view is narrow, but it's there if you need it. At number 3, the Atoto P9. Atoto's offering is a bit of a different beast, and we mean that in both good and bad ways. The screen is excellent. It's vibrant, saturated, and readable even in direct sunlight thanks to auto brightness and custom presets. There's some input lag when swiping or tapping, but it's minimal compared to most of its competitors. Here's the big catch though. This one isn't plug and play. It needs to be hardwired into your vehicle's fuse box, and oddly enough, it didn't even come with a physical manual to walk us through that process, although it is available on their website. That was a bit of a head-scratcher, but more important, it means this unit isn't portable and can't be easily moved from one vehicle to another. Audio quality was also a weak point unless we used the external mic, and even then it wasn't crystal clear, earning it only a 2.5 for Fox in our testing. If you're confident with DIY installs and prioritize display quality and size over convenience and portability, the P9 might be worth a shot. Otherwise, it's probably more effort than it's worth. Runner-up is the Capro 7.0-inch HD portable CarPlay unit. The Capro punches above its weight. Its 7.0-inch screen isn't exactly cinematic, but when you're looking straight on, it gets the job done. Step a little off to the side and things go sideways, literally. The viewing angle is narrow, but in day-to-day use, it's manageable. Where it shines is in responsiveness. Inputs are fast with a snappy interface. We'd rate a 4.5. Boot up is near instant, and the audio is surprisingly decent for something at this price point. We gave it a 3.55. The plastic build feels light and not especially premium, but the included mounts and accessories more than make up for it. Between the backup cam, multiple mounting options, and USB-C power, it's a well-rounded package that's easy to install and easy to like. And number one pick is the Car and Driver IntelliDash Pro X10. We initially didn't want to test our namesake infotainment screen for obvious reasons. But interestingly, the IntelliDash brand name, which is manufactured and distributed by Summit Electronics, kept popping up in our research. Not only is it one of the top sellers in the space, but user reviews were overwhelmingly positive, and the new 10.0-inch Pro X10 model promised industry-leading optics and a large, low-profile screen size. We figured we had to see how it stacked up against the competition. We're glad we did. The screen is crisp, with solid visibility even from off angles, and the colors are surprisingly true to life for a portable unit. It boots quickly, connects reliably, and feels well built. The power button even has a nice, satisfying click to it. We especially like the widescreen display on this unit, as it still offers a lot of real estate without creating a whole new blind spot on your dash. The only notable downside is the mounting versatility, which is a bit of a mixed bag. It uses a flexible adhesive base that's great for sticking it where you want it, but you won't get much adjustability after that. Once it's on, it's on. Still, with multiple audio output options, aux, Bluetooth, FM, a 3 fix rating in our audio test, and a hefty quality feel, the IntelliDash Pro X10 is one of the more refined options in this space and the best of the bunch we've tested. And that wraps up our list of the top 6 best portable CarPlay screens. Be sure to check the link description below for the latest price and availability. Which one are you planning to get? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tech roundup.